Hey, this is Darlene with At Real and Easy. No, this is not a neck brace. It's so good to see you guys again. So today is going to be a good video for everyone. So, okay, WhatsApp, the app, I love it. I really do. The only thing is that a lot of times it'll automatically download like pictures and videos and stuff that other people send. And so it sort of eats up your storage on your phone. So this video today, I'm going to tell you how to stop WhatsApp auto download on if you have an Android. And of course, I'm going to do it, in a very easy steps. So, alrighty, let's get started. I look like pink Kool-Aid just attacked me, huh? Okay, the first step one is the first thing you're going to do is open up WhatsApp. Step two, you're going to tap those three dots. Yeah, they're usually like in the top right corner. Yeah. And then step three, you're going to tap on settings. Step four, you're going to tap on where it says storage and data. Step five, underneath media auto download, you're going to do this for each of the following options. Okay, now listen to this. Now, when you see mobile data, what you're going to do is uncheck where you see a check for photos, audio, videos, documents, uncheck those, and then you can tap OK. Underneath that, you're going to see Wi-Fi. Once again, uncheck where you see photos, audio, videos, and documents, and then tap OK. Underneath that, you're going to see roaming. Once again, uncheck photos, audio, videos, and documents. Then you can tap on OK. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, my next video is going to be one for you iPhone users out there. So if of course, your WhatsApp is doing the same thing, downloading, media that you don't want downloaded, I'm going to make a video that explains very easy how you can stop that. Okay. I will see you next time. Once again, thank you so much. Bye-bye.